I've been talking with a lot of people about the art of mediation, because that's the tool that we're working with at Joze, right, to help solve conflict. And someone was like, you know what, why mediation? I want my day in court. I want my day in court. And I've heard that a lot before, right? But what do they actually mean, Rob? You know, what does it mean when they say they want their day in court? They want to be heard. I want my story out there, but I want to take a visual of a piece of paper, right? So you have your whole 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and that represents you, right? What you know about yourself, what the information. Nobody has as much information about you as you.
Okay.
And then you fold that in half, and that represents that person closest to you, whether it's your partner, your spouse, your very, very best friend. It's half a sheet of paper now, right? Fold that again, and that is those next to you, that circle of trust, your siblings, your very close friends. Fold it again. These are your colleagues, your social relationships. Now we're getting to a really small piece of paper. Fold it again. This is what you're telling your attorney.
It's gotten quite small.
It's very small, and we're going to make it even smaller, Rob, and we're going to fold it one more time, and that is what your attorney is able to convey to the judge on your behalf, based on the rules of evidence and the objections and all of the things. And this becomes your day in court. So what we encourage folks to do is to discover the art of mediation, because that does, in fact, give you the ability to be heard. You get to, from your own words, share your dreams, aspirations, fears, anxieties, and your side of the story, as opposed to having somebody share a very small fraction of what you want. And if it's truly what you want is to be heard, then that's not the pathway for success. Mediation, that is a way to be heard, to be seen, and to share your truth.